Now that you guys know me, why don't you come and follow me and show. Oh. I'm a 24-year-old illustrator and designer from Cape Town. I love watching cartoons, is how I spend most of my time. I also have a deep love for drawing and illustrating during my spare time. Love eating out at different restaurants, trying new things. But yeah, most of the time I'm just chilling. Like if I could use one word to describe my childhood and like growing up, definitely be fun. I have like quite a bit to be grateful for to like be able to say that. And like growing up, it was just like really fun. Like the people that I've come across, people that I've met, friends that I've made along the way. It's all been like quite fun and like a really good experience. It also gives like a lot of the youth a channel to like give their energy to, and a tournament like this also is basically giving them a platform and saying like after this you can go ahead and become a professional football player. It's a dream you can achieve, and like with Engen and like the knockout challenge, it makes it all a reality. Oh, like so much was going through my mind because I've never ever taken on such a big job and such an impactful job. As the project started moving forward, it just started becoming more real, and yeah, it's been something I'm still taking in. When I take on a project like this, or any project for that matter, I jump straight into research, finding out about the client, finding out what's required of me, finding out how I'm going to go about my style and what I'm going to put onto paper at the end of the day. And then from there I move into my concept, and that's when I go straight into the sketchbooks. I'm drawing rough, and then from there I take my rough, I take it to digital. That's where my iPad and my laptop come into. For this specific project, I ended up taking a lot of abstract work, and what I focused on was energy and basically energy and movement when it comes to football. I'm very quite closely tied to my childhood, and that's how I always reflect on a lot of my work. It's looking back at the younger me and doing my work for him. There's no other feeling like seeing your work come to life, to be honest. Like holding a design in your hands versus seeing it on a screen, it's two completely different feelings. And to have that honor and privilege to do this for a company like Engen and for the Knockout Challenge, where they're uplifting, and to see all of these kids wearing my design, whether it's boys and now also adding girls to the project, it's an amazing feeling to be doing this all.